route together. Okay, when I say we're doing a test route together, you're doing it on your own.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you were doing a whole test route on your own. I'm not going to talk to you. If there's anything that you're unsure of, you'll ask me. We'll clear that up. We'll make sure you understand that. I'll ask you to pull up on the left 3 times. I may ask you to do an emergency stop and a pull up on the right in the sort of like route that you're following.
Okay.
How long is this route for? Can you see on the sat nav?
11 miles.
Yeah, okay. And how long reasonably will you be driving for?
This is there 32 minutes.
That's it. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to follow the road ahead. I'm then going to turn the sat nav on. If I turn it on from here, it'll turn off.
Oh, okay.
So once we get over the junction, go a little further down, I'll turn the sat nav on. Now, until the sat nav gives you an instruction, continue following the road ahead or follow my instructions. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So when you're ready, I want you to move over, please.
After 200 yards, go left on the roundabout, first exit. You will arrive at your destination at 11:48 a.m. Go left on the roundabout, first exit.
I think I need to.
You can go ahead in both lanes. Do what you're comfortable with.
Cross the roundabout, second exit.